Are you tired of the constant car traffic? The endless chasing for a parking spot? Crowded buses and public transport? The pollution, noise, and stress? Do you enjoy the freedom and flexibility of cycling but struggle to cycle all year due to bad weather, luggage limitations, and not feeling safe?
Built it for ordinary trips, to lighten the footprint of going to work and getting groceries. What we discovered along the way, the pure delight it is to drive. The fun utility vehicle from ARCIMOTO. Joy, meet ride.
This is the future. This is Z-TRITON. A boat, a tricycle, and a camper combined in one. The most sustainable and unique way to travel over land and water. With all hands on deck, a new and improved vehicle was being born. The latest technologies such as 3D printing and CNC milling were used. Fiberglass molds were created, steel and aluminium welded, top-notch electronics installed to create this, the new Z-TRITON 2.0. Let's take a closer look at all three modalities. The bike setup features everything you could ever need. An internal gear hub with electric bike motor and lithium-ion battery pack provides assistance to climb steep hills. The vehicle is made to make the ride comfortable for both you and your passengers. Hey, there's even USB charging. Switching from land to water mode is super quick and easy. Ride into a body of water, lift up the wheels of the bike, inflate and attach stabilizers, lower the electric boat motor from the cabin, and off you go. Like on a proper boat, you have a controls dashboard to be in complete charge of the vehicle. While designing, engineering and creating it, we've thought of everything. In case you run out of battery juice, there are attachable oars. If the windscreen gets wet, there's a manual windscreen wiper. For comfort, you'll find storage units for essential items and even a built-in radio with a Bluetooth connection. And thirdly, the camper mode. It works both on land and water. So you can choose whether you want to spend a magic night in the middle of a lake or a forest. It's cozy, but spacious enough that two people can comfortably sleep in it and fit in a couple of rucksacks too. There are even solar panels integrated in the roof and a pod that allows you to take your favorite plant on an adventure with you. Z-TRITON has already been tested in the Swiss Alps, Lake Geneva, Paris, Amsterdam and Berlin. Everyone who got the chance to test drive this unique vehicle was taken aback by how amazing and exhilarating it is. But Z-TRITON isn't made only for faraway destinations and long-distance travelers. It's also perfect for active wildlife enthusiasts, couples looking for romantic weekend getaways, and families who want to make lifelong memories. Z-TRITON.
A world where uber-cool personal transport was as accessible as the smartphone in your pocket. Combining classic British car design with cutting-edge personal transport technology. Introducing the Northern Light Motors 428. The 428 is the first low-cost, safe, full electric and weatherproof vehicle in the world. Its aerodynamic and lightweight body contains large crumple zones and acts as a safety cocoon designed to protect the pilot, much like a crash helmet. The body also features front and rear indicators, as well as working modes, better visibility on the road. The three-wheel design sits on leaf spring suspension, providing stability through corners and on various road terrain. The vehicle's battery sits in the nose of the body and is so small that you can carry it into your home, yet still has a range of 100 miles on a single charge. The hybrid drivetrain of the 428 provides power when needed and conserves it when there is a surplus for maximum efficiency. This, coupled with the lightweight design, means you can travel 100 kilometers for only 22 pence worth of electricity. No emissions and no required road tax. The 428 doesn't only protect you from the climate, but benefits it. At Northern Light Motors, we are rewriting the future of travel, changing the fabric of the automotive industry, and we want you to be a part of our journey. To be a part of the change.